standard faith in transcendental matter, and the taste for it increases in greater proportion. That's very nice. The taste for it increases in greater proportion. That's ruchi. This stage of ruchi, increased taste, leads to attraction. That's asakti, attachment or attraction. And after this there is bhava, or the prior stage of unalloyed love for God. All the above different stages are but different stages of development of transcendental love. Being so surcharged with transcendental love, there comes a strong feeling of separation, which leads to 8 different kinds of ecstasies, ashta satvik bhavs. Tears from the eyes of a devotee is an automatic reaction, and because Sri Narada Muni in his previous birth had attained that stage, very quickly after his departure from home, it's quite possible for him to perceive the actual presence of the Lord, which he tangibly experienced by the developed spiritual senses without material tinge. Very wonderful purports. So it's probably indicating that he had, from his previous life, he was extremely advanced. That's why he got a 4-month refresher course during Chaturmasya with the great devotees, and that was sufficient for him to feel separation. Prabhupada is indicating these tears